Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're taking a close look at something that promises to tackle one of the most stubborn signs of aging, wrinkles around the eyes. If you're someone who's constantly battling the effects of fine lines, puffiness, and dry skin in that delicate area, this one might be for you. We're reviewing the Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Eye Cream with Hyaluronic Acid and Peptides, a product designed to repair, hydrate, and depuff. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek, clinical packaging that gives off an air of sophistication, which is no surprise coming from a brand like Clinique, known for creating high-performance skincare. Clinique claims this eye cream visibly repairs lines and wrinkles while providing deep hydration. It promises to minimize the look of fine, dry lines. Pretty impressive, right? Let's see how it measures up. Now, before we dive into how it performed, let's talk about what goes into this formula. At the core of this product are two powerhouse ingredients, hyaluronic acid and peptides. We know hyaluronic acid is a hydration hero, drawing moisture into the skin to help plump it up, smooth out fine lines, and boost overall skin texture. On the other hand, peptides are tiny proteins that support skin repair and collagen production, making them essential in the anti-aging game. So how did it perform in real life? I've been using this eye cream consistently as part of my daily morning and evening routine. The texture is light yet rich, which is ideal for the delicate skin around the eyes. It's not greasy, absorbs quickly, and leaves no residue, which I loved. There was no irritation or heaviness, which can sometimes happen with more potent eye creams. It's fragrance-free, which is another bonus for sensitive skin. During my testing, I applied it both in the morning and evening before any makeup. I noticed the product has an immediate hydrating effect, which helped with puffiness, especially in the morning when my eyes tend to look a bit tired. Over time, I did notice a slight reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, but nothing dramatic. It's more of a gradual, subtle improvement, which is typical for skincare products that focus on repairing skin over time. Now let's talk about the pros. First, it definitely lives up to its promise of hydration. If you're dealing with dry, parched under eyes, this is a good option. I also liked how it absorbed so quickly without leaving an oily finish, making it a great base under makeup. The lack of fragrance was a win for me, as it's one less potential irritant, especially if you have sensitive skin. On the downside, the results, while positive, were somewhat modest. If you're looking for a more intense, immediate improvement, this might not give you the dramatic results you expect, especially if you have deep wrinkles or more pronounced puffiness. Also, at its price point, I would have liked to see a bit more visible impact in a shorter period. When it comes to value for money, this product is on the pricier side. While the performance is solid, especially for hydration and mild wrinkle reduction, it doesn't necessarily offer instant dramatic results. If you're looking for fast, noticeable change, you might not get that immediate payoff. However, for those who prefer a more gradual, long-term approach, it might be worth the investment. As for alternatives, there are certainly other eye creams that target similar concerns at a lower price. Some options may not have the same blend of peptides and hyaluronic acid, but they can still offer hydration and puffiness reduction. If you're after something with more noticeable results, you could consider something with retinol or caffeine, but keep in mind that those ingredients tend to be a little harsher, especially for sensitive skin around the eyes. Looking at build quality and longevity, Clinique's packaging is sturdy and clean, which I appreciate. The product itself is designed to be used sparingly, so a little goes a long way. With daily use, a small jar should last around a month or two, which is typical for eye creams. Given the price, you do get a fair amount of use before needing to repurchase. When it comes to customer support, I've never had to reach out to Clinique directly for this specific product, but the brand is known for its responsive customer service. If you're looking for assistance or have any questions about the product, you can expect professional support. Final verdict: the Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Eye Cream is a solid option for those looking to gently hydrate, reduce puffiness, and repair fine lines over time. While it doesn't deliver instant, dramatic results, it's a great option for those who prefer a more gradual approach to skincare. The price point is a bit steep, but it does offer reliable hydration and subtle improvement in skin texture. If you're willing to commit to the long-term game, it might be a good fit for your routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.